It's a little, I mean, it's a little 6-speed-ish, you know?
6-speed-ish.
It's a little 6-speed-ish.
It's a little soup spoonish.
Grab that shit to put in gear. You better get used to that.
I know. Hold on, wait.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there we go.
Well, this is first, so you
Okay.
just bump it back.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you just bump back. Okay.
It's actually an air shifter, so it does it by itself.
Okay.
But that's how you would do it.
Oh, yeah.
I know you like that. I know you like that auto life. I'm gonna send this to John.
Joe's just like, yo, Phil has no idea what he's doing right now.
Same spot, same car, same track, different time and day. We're gonna try this 8 mile racing thing one more time, get some more data in, try to get this thing to hook up. We're back at it again one more time, see what we can do. Hopefully get some traction today. Alright, real quick small issue. Before we even get started, we needed to do a firmware upgrade on the laptop, so we're a little bit stuck right now, but we're getting that done. Luckily my buddy might let me borrow some hotspot real quick so we can get that done. But the track's kind of slow right now. Nothing's going on as everyone's just kind of getting geared up, probably waiting for the sun to go down to make some hits. But we're just gonna get this upgraded. Solomon is on his way. He'll be here shortly, and then we're gonna make a lick. Same thing going on as last time where it's not building any boost off the line, so we left on 3 pounds and then it actually hooked and left good, so it's actually prepped, so we know the tire's working, the suspension's working. Raised it up and we were able to see more than 3 pounds. We saw up to 8 pounds now, so that's working. So we're gonna leave it there, gonna raise up the RPM a little, bring the boost in a little bit more, and try a second pass. That should be a much quicker pass. So right now we're just cooling down the car. They're prepping the track again, and then we'll go hit it one more time.
Did you
give me more boost up top?
No.
You just brought it in faster?
Yeah, just brought it in faster. I don't think your problem's the top. I mean, once we get the, you know, the 330 figured out, then we just pour it on, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So,
I believe it.
100
How much faster did you bring it in? What's the ramp look like?
You just drive the car, Juan. It's okay. That's what you do. You just drive the car. That's it. Just drive the car. That's it.
Okay, I'll drive it.
It should be fun. The goal today is 136.
Okay.
That's 136. That's my goal today.
Okay, that's the goal for the car today. 136. He put the medium Taco Bell spice tune in it, so we'll go see what it does. Did you hear the goal for today, MJ? Oh, look, it's MJ, everybody. 136. That's the goal. One last thing also, while we're in here, first thing I noticed when I popped the tank back up on this thing was that the water was still cold in it from now is directly after the last pass. So I guess adding that additional transcooler did help lower the water temperature because it was pretty cold. So that's a plus. Now we just need to throw some more ice in. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit more, but we're gonna throw some more ice in it and go make that second pass. Something a little bit different this time. We're gonna race my buddy over here in this it's a 5.0 swap in that Fox body. And what we're trying to do is get a little competition going, just get some of those juices back in me and be competitive again. So we're gonna do that this round. Line up, I'm actually gonna bump in and hit, you know, try to cut a good like and actually race the car. It's just a friendly race. I'm not sure who's going to be faster. His car's been running pretty good all night, so we're going to see. But I just want to line up next to someone and hit that tree and get back in that same feeling. Good freaking pass right there. Good freaking pass. So I got to look at the log because second and third felt a little funny. But well, yeah, once we got in third, I don't know if we hazed the tire, but once we got into third, high gear, started coming around them. Let's get back to the pits, check out the data, see what we can adjust, and go from there. That was a fun pass, right?
It was, yeah. Appreciate it.
Good pass. Yeah, I thought for sure you had me. You know, I mean, you treated the shit out of me, and I was trying to do.
Light.
Yeah.
And I thought we'd be dead even, but you know, I was like, man, I'm ahead on them. And then about 400 feet, you came by me, and this is a blur.
Yeah.
But that was a good. It was a good.
Yeah, it was
good run.
It's 5.0, right?
Yeah,
5.0 in it.
Coyote 2014 Coyote
with the
C4 trans, 3-speed.
Pro Charger or something on it.
Paxton
Okay.
2200 SL.
Okay, cool.
It's on like 7 pounds of boost right now.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
It moves out good.
It's got 47-pound injectors in it. Like,
Oh wow.
I'm running out of fuel, so I can't.
Yeah.
I can't bring the
I didn't
boost
even
up.
catch your name.
I'm Steve.
Steve. Juan.
Juan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You want to hit it again?
Yeah, I'm ready. You know, I don't know if they're running the 680 class.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
I'm down
Probably
to go
line
again.
up.
Okay, man, go ahead.
Steve, our buddy with the Mustang, who we've been running. Good sport, been great. Been fun running him all night, but yeah, we threw a little bit more at that pass, and it went a 5.8, which is still slow. The mile per hour good, we got over 130, but the 60 foot is just killing us on this thing. We're not getting anything faster than a 1.5. The 60 foot is just straight up killing us right now, Solomon. You can't get this thing to 60 foot right like we used to. We might have to put it back in first gear and do it. Alright, so I gotta get this thing, the chute packed up. Yes, I've been pulling the chute to get used to pulling the chute again. It's been helping. This 8th mile is kind of short, but we'll get this thing packed up in the box and we can get out of here and go home. What?
I got water on my shoe. You know what?
Okay, now let's put the cooler up on the back of the truck and we're good to go. You got it?
Yep.
Little helper.